how far your mama?
Mama, they went out.
Hey.
Mama.
My love.
Welcome. Big one. Big one. How are you? Welcome.
Hello.
Mama, sit down.
No, my dear. I may come from your madam place, Taylor.
My madam.
I go there.
Mama, I've not written agreement, so I've not started.
That make me come so my pikin. I don't write agreement for you.
Mama.
Go see your
You don't write agreement for
Thank
you. Thank you.
Wado.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I mean, you. Thank you. You see now, you see what God can do.
Yes, what is it? I'm listening. Calm down. Please. I just want to beg on everybody around. Our husband, our children. I just want us to live in peace. Please, mother. Please. Are you not saying I'm the bad person in this place? Am I the only one that has bad anger in this compound? No, that is not what I meant, mother. All I am saying that we all should live in peace as we have before. Please. It's all right. Thank you, Mom. I've heard you. Thank you very much. Should I embrace you? Thank you.
Mama Salime, please come.
Who's calling you? Our son. All right. Who just called?
Oh, they won't kill us in this country. This can't be true.
Look at my father is enjoying.
My dear, how are you?
Fine, father. Father, please let me your phone. Where's your other small phone?
I gave your brother to go and meet you. I know we don't have light.
I wanted to make use of this one now.
This one? No. See, I was on social media. And if you see I was laughing when you were coming, this people will not kill us. Come and say, so look at they are talking about it.
Father, put social media aside first.
Why?
Because I have something to tell you.
Okay. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Father, do you know my mother is always embarrassing me because of that my friend who is a woman.
Oh, dance.
She said she's too old for her to be my friend.
No, now. It doesn't matter. You see, me, I won't prefer children moving with mature so they will have sense. Why would she be disturbing you now? It's your mother. I'm not in love with you.
Father, do you know what? Urobo woman and her husband, they came to write an agreement for me in this fashion store here.
No. I don't understand. This tailor here,
Yes.
they wrote an agreement for you.
Yes.
So that means soon now you'll become a tailor. You
In fact, I'm starting tomorrow.
You mean you will not be a tailor?
Yes, Father. I'll be the one sewing your clothes.
Oh, God will bless them. Husband and wife, where you got that money from, heaven will replenish it for you.
Amen.
And your mother says she not play with that. Don't listen to her.
I won't.
Imagine now.
That woman, she's a very nice woman.
Nice and responsible.
I love her.
Nice and responsible. Come on,
Father.
I'm hungry.
We're not ready, Mama.
Hello, we are.
Daddy.
You are back.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sit. This one, your face look bright. You are happy. I hope all is well. Tell me the good news
Yes,
now.
Mommy, you are actually right. Daddy, I saw my friend today.
Your friend?
Yes.
I hope he's a good friend.
Yes. He was my old school friend.
Okay.
The last time we met was during our last paper. And he was sick. I have to help him out and he still remember me. Why you Jemeri?
He still remembers.
Yes.
That means he's a good person.
Yes, Daddy. On your part. Or they promise in every year to measure Canada. You are a winner.
No. You mean
Yes, Daddy.
you will go to Canada?
Yes.
And you are saying it small.
Hey!
This cup of celebration.
Yes.
Hey.
Today, beans and rice.
And chicken.
Beans
And chicken.
Hey, I see my well
I will buy chicken.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Oh, what's the meaning of all this? Why are you deceiving yourselves? Having a fiat.
My dear, kneel down, let me pray for you. See. Whatever power that want to stop your friend from not doing this thing that he has said, we say Holy Ghost.
Father! I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Because you'll be the one to sow the next one.
Mom, you are eating. Can I have some food?
Not this food.
Mom, can I have some food now?
I said not this food.
Mom, I'm kind of losing strength. Eh?
Oh, because I said you can't have my food, you are losing strength.
Can I join you?
No. Bohemia, why is your own mother so wicked like this? I don't know the answers to give. Oh, see your brother. I even thought he went out. He's with your mom. Why is he looking that way?
I'm losing strength.
Brother Tani. Mother, why are you so mean? What is this?
He's dead. Otta! Otta, please wake up. Otta! Otta, wake up! Oh, God. Otta!
No, Brother Sania. You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me.
Otta!
It can't be true.
Otta, wake up!
Brother Sania, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
Otta!
My brother, I just left my house. I should come and see you today. Let me drive back, but the next thing is my son. Just like that. This is very shocking.
Baba, Nana with you.
I just barely ignored that I'm going to take.
We just kissed. How did it?
I wish I can answer that question. Where? Otas!
I've been trying to understand my mother. I've been trying to understand. I don't know why she's so mean to us. I don't know why.
This one is wicked.
Don't make me cry.
I don't pay more.
You.
Oh, Tani. This one is wicked.
Stop crying.
It's wicked.
Don't cry. Don't make me cry. Stop crying.
Oh, tell him, man. Don't do that. It don't happen.
No, nothing you can do again.
It's okay.
My small pikin. No.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Always remember this. I'm here. Always remember this. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Judge a book by its covers. What book?
Somebody might be a fighter, but in the spirit, he or she might be a peacemaker in the spirit. I'm here. I'm here. You are special.
What does it mean by that? A book by its covers. A fighter. A peacemaker. Oh, I need to tell my father about this.
I'm actually at home. That's all life is. It's all right. I appreciate your business. Yes, mommy.
I was searching all around for you.
For me?
Yes,
What happened?
Father, I saw Brother Otani in my dream yesterday afternoon, and I don't understand what he was trying to tell me.
You know, I was actually on a call with his friend a while ago. You recall. And he just told me that we were supposed to travel to Canada tomorrow. What was he that he really told you?
Father, he told me that I should never judge a book by its covers, that a fighter can be a peacemaker in the spirit, and a peacemaker can also be a fighter in the spirit. He told me to be wise, that I should be sure.
I'm sure he was trying to tell you something. That whoever you are holding responsible for his death might actually not be the person. He has a great lesson for you. But he asked you, who were you thinking killed your brother?
Father, actually, I was holding my mother responsible for it.
No. I mean, your mother is innocent. I know she can be mean, very mean. But your mother is still your mother. And she's a mother that cannot kill her own son. Anyway.
Father, my mother is so lucky to have you.
Stop crying now. No, let's go inside. It's okay.
Mama, you sent for me.
I said for you, my son, my grandchildren, they come from Lagos.
Mama!
I said they know they go carry the corn. May I prepare the type of burger and stash. We come tomorrow.
Okay, Mama. Your grandchildren will be so happy to eat your banga soup.
They go back now. They won't go bring the corn.
Okay, Mama.
You know, say my pikin now they use my burger and stash. They play.
Mama, I'll come and join you.
We come.
Yes, Mama. Mama, please, you sent for me. When you want to stand,
We come.
so that I'll come and join you.
If you want to go, I go.
Okay, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
trying. I really like that.
Thank you, ma.
You see your life. You call yourself a senior girl, yet she has dominated on coming in. Let's try and be like that. Well done. I'm seeing your handwork. Continue, okay? Thank you.
How are you?
So I'm waiting for my friend. Yes, sir.
You know that.
Thank you, sir.
Don't know. She can be my wife.
Sorry, sir. If you need a wife, go for my sister, Sister Sareme.
I don't even know her. Please.
She's caring, love. She's what you want in a woman. As for me, if it's me, you will definitely regret it. But my sister, Sister Sareme, she is the best wife any man can have.
It's you I want. Please, if you can be my wife, please.
I've given you my advice. Go for my sister, Sister Sareme.
I don't even know her.
Go look for her.
Hey!
God.
Eh? For a long time, I have never seen you in this mood.
See,
Who are you?
I must tell you, you know my daughter, I mean, Mourning, she is something else.
I know now. What has she done this time around?
Do you know that I mean, in her wisdom, a man that came that had interest in her, she stylishly with wisdom diverted it to her sister Sarime.
True.
And let me tell you, few days from now, the same person will be coming to ask for Sarime's hand in marriage. You wait now, save the dance for the D-Day.
Yeah. I am just practicing how I'm going to dance.
Okay, just keep practicing. Keep practicing. But do you know that my happiness is that Anya is just too wise. I have learned something from her wisdom.
She is very wise.
God bless that child.
Amen.
At least somebody will marry in this family. Osemota. How are you doing?
Fine, sir.
And how is your father, my friend?
He's fine, sir.
Oh, go here.
When I told him I was coming to see you, you sent his greetings, sir.
Oh, see, that is why Osaro is my friend. We have come a long way.
Father, this is the man I was telling you about the other time.
Is it the one that you said you saw one?
Yes. Father, what is he doing here?
I'm here. Do you know my friend, Osaro?
Yes, Father.
You sure you know him?
Yes, Father.
Okay. This young man here is his son, Uwadiae. Uwadiae.
Amen.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
I'm here.
Father, what is he doing here?
Don't tell me. The father sent. In fact, he came to see me.
All right, Father.
What are you doing?
Father, I'm going back to work. I came to...
Go back. Yes, little boy. Children of nowadays, they have different attitude. Anyway, as I was telling you, your father and I, we have come a long way. Oh, boy, mommy,
That's what she said.
Yes, now. Yeah, Mama, we are doing well. How's the family?
We are good. It's part of them. Osajesu,
Sir.
that is my friend I spoke to you about. Zebra. Owime, Nini Kama. Wewe nagbata. And he has decided to come and see Osajesu. Where our mommy.
Yes, sir. God bless you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you, my dear.
Sir, I may have spoken a lot about Osajesu, your daughter, sir. So we are here in respect of her, to see her. I have not met her one-on-one.
Our mommy.
That's it, sir.
Mabule. Call Osajesu for me.
Osajesu, you're not running.
Oh, she's coming. I hope you remember my friend. And that young man there is his son.
Yes, it's my son.
You were cooking, eh?
Yes, Daddy, I was cooking.
When you are done cooking, let me know.
Okay, Daddy. Okay.
Echo.
Yes, sir.
I hope you have huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are satisfied.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, darling.
You know, it is one thing to break grammar like Oyibo. It's another thing to marry a woman.
Yes, sir. I'm aware of that, sir.
The journey between me and your mother has taken quite a long time. We usually have our differences, but we remain together. Eh?
Yes, Daddy.
This Osajesu, if you know you cannot take care of her, if you know you are not serious with her, you better let me know now and let's end this thing. You say you like. It's not after some time you say you don't want again.
Daddy.
Her father is my bosom friend.
I'm aware of that, sir.
We grew up together.
Yes, Daddy.
And I don't want us to offend each other.
Yes, Daddy.
So if you know you are not ready to treat her fine, let us end this now.
Dad, not to let that. You can see the, my father like son.
You have eye for good thing. But you know that does not last forever.
Actually,
The beauty will fade. You
You
see
are
that
right,
that you are describing
yes, sir.
will become a burden. She can't even walk. Arthritis will enter. But you still must like her.
Daddy, no problem, sir.
For better,
For
worse.
Yes, I know that, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you know you are ready for that, then we can move to the next stage.
I'm fully ready, sir. If I'm fully ready.
Okay.
Yes, darling.
You know, it is one thing to break grammar like Oyibo. It's another thing to marry a woman.
Yes, sir. I'm aware of that, sir.
The journey between me and your mother has taken quite a long time. We usually have our differences, but we remain together. Eh?
Yes, Daddy.
This Osareme, if you know you cannot take care of her, if you know you are not serious with her, you better let me know now and let's end this thing. You say you like. It's not after some time you say you don't want again.
Daddy.
Her father is my bosom friend.
I'm aware of that, sir.
We grew up together.
Yes, Daddy.
And I don't want us to offend each other.
Yes, Daddy.
So if you know you are not ready to treat her fine, let us end this now.
Dad, not only that, you can see the, my father like son.
You have eye for good thing. But you know that does not last forever.
Actually,
the beauty will fade. You
You
see
are
that
right,
that you are describing
yes, sir.
will become a burden. She can't even walk. Arthritis will enter. But you still must like her.
Daddy, no problem, sir.
For better,
For
worse.
Yes, sir, I know that, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you know you are ready for that, then we can move to the next stage.
I'm fully ready, sir. If I'm fully ready.
Okay.
What is it?
I mean, what is it?
man.
What's that? I mean,
Everywhere is dark.
you said?
I can't see anything.
What did you mean?
I mean,
The whole place is
Go
dark.
and call your daddy.
Mother.
Go and call your father.
Mother, I can't see anything. Mother, where is your hand? Mother, where are you?
I'm here with you.
Mother,
Welcome to my what is it now?
Sincerely, my brother, I'm not the one here. You are just in the walking corpse.
Oh,
The woman.
it's every my friend.
I'm fed up with life.
I understand. You know, things are really, really, really bad with you at home.
Really bad is an understatement. Things are too bad.
A child is blind.
Dawn is there.
One has torn in bedside.
It's there.
You know,
One drop dead.
one drop dead.
It's there. Then, my own child, they have been bringing different pastors. One I even say is a prophet, is a pastor.
But what solution did they bring?
Nothing, no change, no positive change. All I'm a pastor, I'm the devil, just waste of time.
If it is so.
She's even the one saying we should go there. So when they tell you say go and look for this thing, there's no use. But of recent, one other lady, one Orobo woman, she's bringing a pastor from Lagos.
I hear that the Lagos pastors have fire burning in their head, on their heads.
My brother, as it is now, I don't even have a choice. But this is the last bus stop. If it doesn't work, I will use cutlass. Iwa Lopia. So,
Government will not spare you.
my brother, it is better the government is looking for me than this problem. I will just die about attack.
Don't worry. For today, you forget about the problem.
It's easy.
Why we wait for the pastor? It's easy. All we need to do, I'll get you a bottle of beer just now. When you take that, it will simmer down.
Are you sure a bottle of beer can handle the situation?
You know now. Or you want to make it two.
Sarah, I think the last option will be better. Let's just try two.
Don't worry. When you take two, then I'll give you one for the rose when you are ready to eat.
I'm sure
What
we
of small fish with it?